This video is meant for the educational purpose. Please ensure you understand the step before using any script. The goal is to help you to learn how to complete the lab effectively while following the Qwiklabs terms and services and YouTube community guidelines. Back to the channel, and I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. So first of all, just log in with your credentials, and once you're done with that, in the description box of this video I will show you a GitHub link. Just click on that link and then you're able to access this file over here. Just scroll down, open this URL in incognito window. It will activate your cloud shell. Meanwhile, just come back over here, and from here you can see all this command. So what here do, we have to just export all this command. I will recommend you please use the online notepad which I was using. Do not use your personal notepad. Now just copy this, come back and just paste over here like this way. Now what here do, we have to just export all this value. Before that, just come back over here. So as you can see, cloud shell is activated. Now what we have to do, we have to just export the task1 dataset name. For that, just come back over here, click on the task number 1, and from here you can see this dataset name. Now watch the video carefully. If I just double click over here, and if I just copy this thing, and if I just try to paste over here, you can see there is one extra space over here. So make sure that you don't have to give any extra space, otherwise you will face an error. Okay, so it's done. Now what you do, we have to just copy the task1 sync name. Just come back over here. So this is a sync name, so just copy like this way, come back and paste over here like this way. Now what you have to do, task2 table name. So just scroll down over here, task2, and this is a table name. So just copy this, come back and paste over here like this way. Now task3 dataset name. So just scroll down and you can see dataset name. So just copy this dataset name, come back over here and paste over here like this way. Now task3 view 1. So just scroll down and you can see from the point number 2 it is a view 1. So just copy this thing carefully, come back over here and paste over here. Now task4 table name. So just scroll down and from here you can see table name. So this is a table name. So just copy this, come back and paste over here like this way. Now just copy all this command, come back, paste, hit enter. Now just come back over here, scroll down, now copy this command, just paste, hit enter. Now just wait for this command get execute. And it's finally done. Now here you can see this URL over here. So just double click over here like this way. Now I'll request you please watch the video carefully because this is a very important part of the lab. Now just click on this create sync over here. Now for the sync name, you just have to come back over here, click on the task number 1, and from here you can see this is a sync name. So just copy this thing carefully and paste over here like this way. Now click on this next. From here just choose BigQuery dataset. Just click over here, and from here which dataset you have to choose. For that, just click on the task number 4, just scroll up over here, and from the task number 3, point number 3, you can see this dataset name. So just select this dataset over here like this way. Okay, now just click on this next. Now for this filter, just come back over here, scroll down, and from here you can see this filter, copy this and paste over here. That's it. Now just click on this create sync over here. Now what you do, just search for the BigQuery, open this thing, new tab like this way, come back over here, wait for a second. Now click on this done. Now I request you please remember your data set. So basically what you do, we have to just focus on this, all this value over here. So when I'm saying data set, so this is our data set. When I'm saying the authorized view name, so this is a name. Okay, and when I'm saying sync name, so this is sync name. So first of all, we have to pay attention on the data set. So just come back over here, click on this down arrow over here. And remember one thing, all this value changes every time. Okay, so this is my dataset name. You can see analytic dataset and this thing. So just double click over here, you can just click on this down arrow. So as you can see, for now we are able to see only one table over here. So what you do, you have to just wait for a couple of minutes over here, or you can just refresh the page over here. Just wait and watch now. So just click over here again, just click on your data set. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Sometime it might take 5 to 10 minutes as well. So just wait and watch. Sometime what happen, after waiting for more than 5 to 10 minutes, you still not able to see one table name over here. So what you have to do at that time, just come back over here again, just scroll down and you can see log router. Just click over here. you can see this sync name. Okay, just click over here and just delete this sync over here. Okay, like this way. Again we have to just repeat the step to create a sync. So again just click on this create sync. Okay, now for the sync name, just copy this sync name like this way and paste over here. Okay, sorry for this. Log router, sync name, paste the name, next dataset. From here just choose this one dataset. Okay, you know why? Because it's mentioned over here. So just select that. Next, for the filter, just come back over here, copy this filter and just paste. Next, and then click on this create sync. So it's done. Now again just come back and again just repeat the steps. You have to just refresh the page. Again come back over here, again click on this and I can check. And as you can see on our first attempt, now we are able to see this cloud audit this API. Okay, now just double click over here like this way and then click on this details over here. Okay, you can see this table ID which we need in later part of this video. Now just click on this untitled query. Now for this query, just come back over here and from here you can see this query. So just copy this one and paste over here and you can see from, so we have to just copy this thing carefully. You can just copy like this way, come back and just replace over here like this. So replace like this way. Once you get a green tick, then click on this run. So it's done. Now just click on this save button over here like this way, then click on this save view. From here just choose the data set which mentioned over here. You can see this data set. So just select that one and now for the table ID just copy this one. Okay, and paste over here. Just cross verify there should not be any extra space. Now click on this save button. So it's done. If you follow all the steps which I mentioned in the video, then only you will get a full score on the task number 3. Okay, now task number 4 is very easy. Just come back over here, copy this query for the task number 4, come back to your dashboard, just come back over here now and paste, hit enter. Okay, just wait for this command get execute and once it's done, you are done with the task number 4 as well. So just wait and as you can see we got a green tick for the task number 3. So just wait and we got a score for the task number 4 as well. Let me just show you that. So as you can see we got a green tick over here as well. Now task number 5 is very interesting, so I request you please watch the video very carefully. First of all just come back over here, just scroll down over here and from here you can see capacity management. Just click over here. From here just click on this create commitments over here. Now for this location just choose a location which mentioned on your lab instruction page. So for me the given location is US Central 1. So just click over here and just select that like this way. Okay, now here no need to make any other changes because it's already mentioned over here. In future if you are able to find a different thing, then just choose that. Okay, now just scroll down. Now for the number of slot it should be 100 because it's mentioned over here, you can see. Okay, so we are done with this. Now click on this advanced settings over here and from here you can see commitment ID. So just copy this ID over here and paste over here like this way. Now click on this next. Now for the confirmation just type confirm in capital and then click on this purchase and then just click on this view slot. So it's done. Okay, now click on this create reservation over here. Okay, now for the reservation name just scroll down and from here you can see this name. So just copy this name carefully and paste over here. Again for the location just choose the location which mentioned over here. So just come back over here, US Central 1. Okay, now for this thing just choose extra small, that is 50 slots and again just type 50 over here. Okay, just scroll down and click on this save because all these things mentioned over here. Okay, now one last thing is remaining. You can see this, just click on these 3 dots and from here just click on this create assessment over here. Now from here just click over here and just select your project ID and job type must be query over here because it's mentioned over here. You can see query. Now just click on this create. So it's done. Now if you just come back over here and click on the check my progress for each and every task, you will get a score without any issue. And if the score is not updated for any particular task, no need to worry. Just wait for a couple of minutes and you will get a full score over here for sure. So just wait and watch. And as you can see, it's done. And in this way we have to complete this lab. If you still have any doubts, please do let me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys. Remember, this video is for educational purpose. Please make sure you understand the step and follow the Qwiklabs terms and services and YouTube community guidelines.